Hello everyone. So here is another video. So we are going to analyze Netflix dataset. So basically, what are all the movies or what are all the contents is there in the Netflix? Is it a movie or a TV show? So I'm going to analyze with Pandas. So let me import all necessary libraries first. Importing pandas and also numpy, matplotlib. Okay, so I have successfully imported all the necessary libraries for this analysis. Now I'm reading the data set. So here is my data set. So my data set has 8,800 rows and 12 columns. So let me see the head of the data set, the top five rows of the data set. So here you can see show ID. So show ID means S1, S2, S3 followed by the numbers. S followed by the numbers. So it could be a categorical or object because it is not in a numerical or not in alpha. So it is combination of alpha numerical. So that is it is in this column is in object data types and the type of the show. Is it a movie or is it a TV show? And the title of the movie or title of the TV show. And in director column, the director of the particular show or director of the TV show and the cast details, the movie cast or TV show cast, and the country where this particular TV show or movie made. And this is the date when the show or movie gets added to the Netflix. For example, if I take this first one and the title is Dick Johnson is Dead. So this movie got added to the Netflix in 2021 September 25th, and the original year is 2020. The movie got released originally on 2020, and the ratings. So this ratings Netflix has a separate set of ratings based on the age. For example, if it is suitable for kids, then they will mention with a different rating, and middle age and adults and old age people. So that is how the Netflix they will categorize their movies and TV shows. So this rating column shows is it suitable for which age of population and the duration of that particular movie or TV show and whether it is a documentary or the additional details. Then here is a short description of the particular movie or TV show. So this is a brief introduction about all the columns in the dataset. So let me see, is there any null values present in the dataset? So as I said earlier, if I mention only df dot is null, I can get the data frame with a Boolean format, true, false. I don't want to that. I just wanted the number of null values present in each column. Then so here I do not see any null values in show ID, and I do have the null values under director, cast, country, and the date added, and ratings column, duration, and listed. And also, let me check, is there any duplicate values? So we do not have any duplicate values in the data set. Okay, so let me do some analysis on the data set. So I just wanted to see. how many movies and how many TV shows are there in entire 8,807 rows. I just wanted to see how many movies are there and how many TV shows are there. Then here and type column. This is there in the type column. Type dot value counts. It will give us the exact count of separate categories which are listed under the type column. Value counts. Okay. Okay. See. So we have around 6,000 plus movies and 2,600 TV shows are there out of 8,000. So majority of the portion is from the movies. So let me draw a pie chart. So I just wanted to show this movies and TV shows in a pie chart with a percentage value. Then it could be easy for us to analyze it by looking at a nice visualization. So for that, first uh, let me say as okay, category. I'm saving this into category and one second. So basically, okay, it's now fixed. So I have some issues with the system, network connectivity. So that is why. So I'm plotting a pie diagram. The code is like plt dot plot, and I have to mention the kind of the plot. So since we have only two categories, so it is good to show it under pie chart. One second, I think I have some issues with the network. Okay, sorry for the delay. So I just wanted to show this about data with a pie diagram, and I wanted to show the how much percentage of movies are there in the data set and the percentage was if I take entire 8,000 columns as 100% out of 100%, how much percentage of movies are there, how much percentage of um, TV shows are there. For that, we need to use this function autopt. So it will give us a clear detail about the percentages. So if I wanted to up to two decimal points, then decimal point, and let me enter the title as well. Title as mm, content type. Content type. Okay. And since it is a pie diagram, you no need to specify any Excel variables, but let me variable is must. Variable we need to mention in the pie chart. But if I wanted to show any bar chart or line chart, you must specify X and Y labels. So here it is okay. It is, I mean, when you are plotting a pie diagram, Mm, Just specify the available. Uh, oh, sorry. I forgot to. I did not added the data only. Okay. Okay. So now it is good. So you can see we have around 70%, 69.6%, which is almost very close to 70% of the movies, and 30 percentage of the TV shows are there in Netflix. So 70 percentage of the movies are present in the dataset. So that is about the type column, content by type. So I just wanted to see director wise. I just wanted to see how many movies are there by top 10 directors. So director dot value counts dot okay. So okay, I just wanted 10. So if I give on simply head, it will give me the top five data. So I need to specify if I wanted 10 top 10 directors data. So here is the top 10 directors data. So you can see it. And I wanted to show this data in with a bar chart. This time I'm going to use bar chart and I have to specify X label and Y label for bar charts. So I want director names in X label. Sorry, in Y label, it's like number of movies. And title is like top movies, top 10 directors, 10 directors. Will be the show, right? So yeah, you can see. So so this is a simple data. I just wanted to show this data with a bar chart. So here you can see that here as per the data, Rajiv Raju Chilaka directed around 19 movies or TV shows, and so and followed by two directors as per the Netflix dataset. So you can see the top 10 directors. It goes on this goes on top 10. So if I wanted uh, top 15, just mention 15 here and then we will also see the data for top 15 directors. So this is for top 15 directors. Okay, so now we just see the type of movie or TV shows, and also we just saw the data as per the director wise. Now I wanted to see country wise data. So here, country. Okay, so here also, if I wanted to take only top 10 values, top 10 countries data. So United States has around 2,818 movies. So this is only for the movies or TV shows which are present in the Netflix only, not all the movies. So as per Netflix, so in Netflix out of 8,000, we have only the content of 2,800 TV shows, combination of TV shows and movies from the United States itself. And the second place is India of 972. And the list is goes on. So now I wanted to show the same similar data country-wise content, number of movies and TV shows with the in the graphical representation. Okay, what is the error? Let me take image size of it is too large, it must be less than. Okay, so I got fixed the error. So now, so with this line of code, I just able to see the numbers only. So how many movies or TV shows got produced from each and every country. So same thing, I wanted to use a bar graph and I wanted to show. I'm applying a for loop here since uh, to show the data in a little bit interesting manner. So let me run this code. So now you can see. Uh, Same thing, whatever we got the information here, it is shown here. So we have 2,808 the movies produced from India and 972 movies got produced. It is this follows on next to United Kingdom, next Japan. So as per Netflix. So let me see what else we can do with this data set. Now if I wanted to see the year wise, how many movies got released on year. So we have this column release year. So let me show that data as well. So I'm just adding so df dot release year. So this I just took this column, same thing I applied volley counts and I'm doing sorting the index. Then I'm using here a line graph. I just wanted to show the line graph. So again, same thing for this code as well. I'm applying a title X label and Y labels. So then it is showing nice data. So since we do not have the Netflix in 1940s, so that is why there are no movies or TV shows got added. So it got increased from 1980 and slightly increased in 2000. Then it got increased. Uh, so I think around 2019 or 18, so there are more content have been added to the Netflix. It could be movies or TV shows. So this data shows the year-wise data trend, how many movies got released as per year. Okay, so that is one thing. Now, if I wanted to see the data like rating wise, so as I said earlier, so Netflix rating is different. They rate the content based on the suitable audience. Like for example, if it is suitable for kids, the- like the age 0 to 8 years old or 10 years old, then that will be categorized in a different manner than if the content is suitable for adults, the age of 18 or 18 plus, then it will be segregated as per their specific ratings. So this is how the data shows that so rating wise data in Netflix. So this is how we can do some analysis on any kind of data set. So if I, so in last video we just analyzed how the IPL data set from the first season to the 2023 season. So this data set is from the Netflix and the content. So this is how we can analyze. So I hope you guys are liking the videos. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe the channel. So in coming days, I will come up with the new data sets with an interesting codes to show the data or with the interesting visualization parts. So since I today, if you can observe the data today, I used initially a pie chart, then I used bar charts, then I also used the line chart. So we can use a different kind of graphs based on the condition or based on the data we have, because it has to be represented in an understanding manner. So where the suitable graph is needed, please use that particular graphs. So that is the video today. Thanks everyone. So see you again. Bye.